I am not going to waste your time in this video. I will show you how you can create talking animated avatar like this using free AI tools. It's no secret this channel with animated avatar are blowing up on YouTube and other apps right now. These channels with 10x income, from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months only using avatar. I will create with only using 2 steps. First step is to generate AI images. I am using this free AI tools to generate high-quality images. Once you log in this website, you will get 100 credit to generate free images. I am using this prompt to generate images. You can copy this from description. Now select size and click on generate. After a few seconds, you can see these stunning images generated. Now choose one image and upscale it to 4x times by clicking here and download it. Second step is to generate AI talking avatar using generated images. I am using this free AI app. It's called Verbo. You install it from Play Store. When you open sign up, and here you can see talking photo option. Click here and upload your generated image. Once done, you can type your script or record your script here. Now click on generate video. Wait for a few seconds and here is the result.
If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share this video.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can create these type of faceless YouTube video for free, and you can also earn money from this.
You can see it gives word-by-word movement. Check out my other video on AI animation. Thanks for watching.